the purpose of His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada, is actually which brings us to that ground reality of what is Srimad Bhagavatam. Srila Prabhupada in his personal life also, though he may say that you are not a body, you are a soul, but when somebody came forward and he had a problem in his leg, he asked him in middle of Guru Puja, when there was a Guru Puja going on, he asked, oh, what happened to your leg? Oh, I have this medicine, you use this medicine, take this medicine. And then it seems for next 1 month he was after him, just find out whether are you okay or not. Somebody sick, he would give him something. So Prabhupada would, be concerned. If it was only on the bodily platform, if it is not supposed to be there, then he would not have preached like this. He would, his personal, interactions, he always dealt with his disciples like that. Right? So there has to be a balance. So Srila Prabhupada, it is mentioned that one should always discuss about what Srila Prabhupada has given us. At the same time, one should also discuss about who is Srila Prabhupada, or what Srila Prabhupada, about Srila Prabhupada. So a presentation is not complete till we speak about what Prabhupada has given us and what he has gone through, how much he has gone through, just to give us this priceless literature, Srimad Bhagavatam. At the age of 60, 1959, he was almost 60 years old, 65 years old. He took a Vanaprastha. How much struggle he had to undergo. So it is mentioned that, one of the disciples of Bhakti Saranga Goswami Maharaj, his disciple, Bhakti Madhav Maharaj, he is mentioning that, Srila Prabhupada would travel from Vrindavan to Delhi to get a donation because somebody is paying one Dr. Bipin. He was giving him some donation for his Back to Godhead magazines. So Prabhupada would travel from Vrindavan to Delhi. Now imagine during that time, traveling from Vrindavan to Delhi was not easy. There may be ऐसा जो आपका लाल डब्बा रहता है ना, वैसा उस समय रहेगा ऐसे कुछ, going to from Vrindavan to Delhi. We would not have any Volvo buses or trains going from there. You may have to travel such a long distance just so that, because that person is giving him every time some donation for his printing. So Bhakti Madhav Maharaj, he saw one Srila Prabhupada was standing in front of somebody's house. And he asked him, Prabhupada, what is it? Why are you standing? He said, no, this person has promised me to give 5 rupees. So then he went on his cycle somewhere and he came back again. And it's mentioned that, he was still there waiting for. He said, Swamiji, why are you waiting here? He said, no, this person has not yet come back. I'm waiting for him. That means since morning till evening he was waiting for that 5 rupees. Because he has promised him to give that 5 rupees. She said, Prabhupada, do one thing. Come to my house. And he got him to his house. And that time Prabhupada asked him, he said, will you give me 5 rupees? Then I'll come. Such an emotional thing. Will you give me 5 rupees? Can you imagine in what way he might have asked him? Will you give me 5 rupees? And then he says, come, I'll give you. And Prabhupada had torn clothes. And he said that I told him to take a bath and wear fresh clothes. I gave him new set of clothes. And he said, Prabhupada, instead of 5 rupees, I am giving you 10 rupees. Take this 10 rupees. He says, will you give me every month? Will you give me every month? He says, yes, Prabhupada. Is there anything else I can do for you? Well, no. I have a mission. I have to go to the West. I'm preparing for that mission.